This is a distinct. This is not an aftershock. This is a distinct event. Again, ang tawag natin dito would be doublet. This means that these are two closely timed quakes happening nearby. So this is not the first time na nangyari po ito along the Philippine Trench. Noong 1992, on May 17, 1992, we have magnitudes 7.1 and magnitude 7.5, separated only by around 26 minutes. And these two events were only 20 kilometers from each other. And then the most recent would be yung sa May Hinatuan earthquake in 2023. We have a magnitude 7.4 on December 2, and 2 days after, another event happened on December 4 with a magnitude of 6.8. Precisely the same as what we're recording during this event. We have on October 10 morning, we have magnitude 7.4, and then sa gabi, we have magnitude 6.8. So the same magnitudes. Again, ang term natin dito is doublet. They are distinct earthquakes.